In the last video lecture, I had taught you how to create different textures, and I had taught you 5 or 6 type of textures, and I had asked you to do 8 type of textures in your book. Now, why were we learning how to use different textures, how to create different textures? Why were we learning that thing? That I will explain you. If we see the 9th standard drawing textbook, then where are those textures useful to you? That I will try to explain you. Now basically you will have 4 types of drawings. First one is picture composition. Here you can see a lady sitting near the temple, but she is drawn not in a realistic way. You can draw it in realistic way, no problem, but you can also draw it in creative way. So this is creative way. Then this is known as decorative design type of thing that we will talk later on. My first thing was to tell you where are the textures useful to us. I turn the pages. Okay, this is picture composition. Here you can see some textures in the dress of the ladies, besides some textures in the background. Yeah, here you get the clear idea. Picture composition. Now this is not a realistic picture. You can see woman carrying water from the well. This is not a realistic picture. It is a decorative type of picture composition. And here you can see the usage of various textures. We had learned this texture, this type of textures, the sun texture, right? So the use of texture is will be done in picture composition. Here also you can see in this picture composition it is realistic type, so no use of texture is done. While here in this you can see a lot of use of the texture. You can see here also, right, to indicate river, this type of thing is done. Here also you can see the usage of texture. Here a lot of use of texture and creative decorative way of the arrangement of picture composition is seen in this picture. Besides picture composition, the other place where these textures will be useful to you, that I will tell you just now. I am turning the pages. Yeah, you will have decorative design with geometrical shapes, a design in which geometrical shapes are overlapping with each other. Now if you observe here, then here in different areas different types of textures are done. So the textures which you have learned will be useful here. Another design you can see, one more, right? So there these textures will be useful. Now another thing which we are going to learn today, in today's video what I am going to teach you is creative design. What is a creative design? You will be given the list of things which you have to arrange. See here what is given: tortoise, fish, sun, trees, water, house, sun and cloud. Now this thing you don't have to copy down the picture. Like this way in exam a topic will be given to you. So you have to arrange all these type of decorative shapes on your own. So in today's video I am going to teach you how to create this type of decorative shapes on your own using your creativity. So I think for that purpose you should know how to draw different type of sun. For example, here sun is different, while in this picture sun is different. So at least you should be able to memorize 2, 3 or 4 type of suns. Then tree, the shape of the tree. Here you can see the shape of the tree, right? This is not only the one type of tree which you have to draw. You should be able to create different types of trees. So I will be teaching you how to memorize different shapes. And you are no more in primary now. In primary what you used to do, you should just copy down the picture given here on the other page. While in high school you have to create a picture of your own. And so I will be teaching you how to create different shapes and then how to use it in the picture on your own. So we start. Now, first thing, I am going to teach you how to draw a decorative tree using your own creativity. Just now you had seen the creative design, but you may be thinking that how to draw this type of tree. It's so difficult. How to imagine that type of tree, isn't it? So I will make it easy for you. In this video I will be teaching you 6 different type of trees, out of which you have to draw any 4 in your book, and remaining 2 you have to use your own creativity and do the drawing of those 2 trees. Fine. So we begin. First type of tree, first you have to do the boxes, means you have to do the drawing of the boxes. Okay. Now in the last video when we had done textures, we had left 1 centimeter line in between the 2 boxes, while here we are not leaving any gap in between. Straight away 6 squares or 6 rectangular boxes we have to draw. Now in the first box we are going to do the drawing of oval shape, tree of oval shape. Okay, you can draw a circular shape tree or oval shape tree, but no using any geometrical instrument. Fine. So we begin. So like this way, like the shape of a balloon or the shape of oval that you have to draw. Thereafter we can give double line to make it look attractive. We can do double line. Thereafter the trunk of the tree, very simple. Okay. Then branches also very simple. After watching this video you will be able to draw the tree very easily. You will come to know that how to do the shape, because just by simply watching the drawing, seeing the drawing in the book, you will not get the idea actually from where to start, how to draw. So by watching this video you will get the complete idea. So the shape of the tree is ready now. Now next step you have to do, which I am not doing, is to darken all the lines which you have drawn. Okay, whatever you have done the drawing in the tree, that you have to make it dark. Thereafter we add the texture of leaves. Now this time we, in the texture we add circles, a group of 3 circles at the end of each branch. At the end of each branch we have to add 3 circles. Done. Then you can fill dark color in the small branches also. Then texture in the trunk of the tree. So you can see how easily the first type of decorative tree is ready, and the trees which will be taught in this video, you will also get the idea that how to memorize that type of tree. Fine. So first one is ready. Now second one we create using semicircular shape. This is circular shape. Next one we create using semicircular shape, like the shape of a umbrella. So we begin. Like the shape of a mushroom, we will create the tree in the shape of a mushroom. So semicircle. Exactly like a mushroom or umbrella we are going. Then now naturally the trunk of the tree and branches. So we don't do the same which we had done just now, but we do little bit different, one small branch, broken branch also. so that it doesn't look exactly like a mushroom, it looks like a tree. To give that look, we have done this type of branch. Now give a dark outline to the whole drawing if it's good. Now next step is to fill textures. So we fill the texture of circles, two circles, one big circle and inside that one small circle in the upper area of that mushroom type of tree. Then here we do the lines starting from the center and spreading all around. That type of lines we draw. Then comes the texture in the trunk of the tree. It's not compulsory to do the texture, but you can do it. Looks good. Then you can, if you feel like doing, you can do. So we do this slanting line texture. We had done the practice of doing slanting lines. Am I right? Okay. Now third type of tree. Which shape shall we take in the third tree? Think. We can take shape of square. So we do the square like this way, then give double line to it in such a way that the corners, on the corners the lines are coming out of the square. Then the trunk of the tree, very simple. Now doing some textures inside. First we do circles on all four corners, two circles. I hope the way how it is taught in this video, it's easy for you to understand how to create a tree on your own, decorative tree. Fine. Now leaves. We had the shape of three leaves. Then still if the area is looking empty, then you can add some jalebi type of texture which we had learned in the previous video. Now we come to give the texture in the trunk of the tree. So we had learned different textures from which we take 3 lines horizontal, 3 vertical. So the tree is completed like this way, easily. Clear? Now fourth type of tree, we create in the triangular shape. Oval, semicircle, square, now triangle. So first we have to draw a triangle, give a double line to it, then simple trunk of the tree and branches. If you observe, all the trunks which I have drawn are different than each other. Now filling textures inside the tree. So in textures, what shall we do? Obviously we will draw the shape of the leaves or circle. So we draw circles, group of 3 circles as we have done in the above tree. And then texture in the trunk. Now we come to the next type of tree. and that tree we create using a rectangular shape. That will look beautiful and it's very easy. So first you have to draw a rectangle, then add triangle on the top and add triangle on the bottom. Now the trunk of this tree will be very simple, just see, and easy. In this type of tree always you have to do simple trunk of the tree as we have done in the first tree. Okay, very simple. We again give a double line. Here in this type of tree you have to draw this type of leaves, equidistance. So like this we have to draw the leaves. See, some of the things are common in all the drawings. Suppose giving double line, if you try to memorize how to draw the tree, giving double line to the main part of the tree, adding circles on the corners if it is having corners, some of the things are common. So this tree is also ready. Now we learn the last type of tree that we do in the shape with curve. Okay, a curved shape of a leaf we have drawn first, double lined it, and then drawn the trunk and branch also in a curved shape. Same leaves we are going to do which we have done in the previous tree, big size leaves, same thing, just observe. So this was the last tree which I taught you in this video. Now you have to do 4 type of trees from here and 2 type of trees on your own, but no copying from here. You have to close the video, put off the video, and then do the trees on your own. So all the best, complete that much. In the next video I will be teaching you the next shapes. After I finish teaching you the shapes, I will teach you the arrangement, how to arrange it in a design. Thank you.